This video is to show how to set up the sample train for personal air sampling. The sample train is the combination of the pump, accessories, filter and sampling head. In this case we are using the Apex2 personal air sampling pump. The parts required are shown here. Firstly, the air sampling pump itself, here showing an Apex2 personal air sampling pump. Then a flow meter with which to calibrate the flow of the whole sample train. Then the sampling head. Here is shown a totally inhalable sampling head. Also, you will need a way to attach the sampling head to the flow meter, and here is shown a calibration adapter. Finally, you will need the filters and tweezers to handle the filter, as well as the tube to connect the sampling head to the pump. The pump should be calibrated with the filter already in the sampling head. Care should be taken with the filter as they are all pre-weighed, so it should be done in a clean environment, and use tweezers to handle the filter and ensure it isn't damaged. Filters are housed in a cassette which is then assembled to go in the sampling head. Once assembled, ensure it is securely tightened and fastened together. To assemble the sample train ready for flow calibration, attach the sampling head to the flow meter. Then attach the sampling head to the pump. Note that the flow meter goes before the sampling head, not in between the sampling head and the pump. Ensure the connections are secure and tight to prevent leaks. To set the flow required on the pump, press the down cursor to access the menu. Select Set Flow and set the desired flow rate. In this case it is 2 litres a minute for this inhalable sampling head. Then select Calibrate from the menu. And reading the flow from the centre of the bob on the flow meter, use the up and down cursors to adjust the flow to the required level. Once the pump has been removed from the flow meter, hold the Enter key down to start the pump. It will then do a countdown of 3 seconds and the pump will start running. It is important to lock the pump to prevent tampering. To lock the pump, hold the up cursor down and tap the Enter key 6 times. The pump is now ready to be worn by the wearer. Ensure the pump is worn securely. The sampling head should be worn in the breathing zone, so clipped as close as possible to the mouth. With international offices in the US, India, China and Australia, and the network of global distributors, Casella can provide the support you need wherever you are. Visit www.casellasolutions.com or email info@casellasolutions.com for more information.